What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Like I told you in the other video, my OCD is kicking in. I have tons of cases that I haven't even reviewed for you guys yet. I'm sorry, I've been slacking. I know. Spider-Man, he's back on deck. He's a little bit out of frame right now because he's a little camera shot. These are a couple of new updated iPhone 13 Pro Max cases that I got and I think are pretty good. So if you're interested in any of these, this video is for you. The link will be in the description for all of these. I'm doing a giveaway when I'm done because I'll be getting the iPhone 14 or the Galaxy Z Fold 4 when it comes out. So I won't need all these cases. So they're for you guys. I'm a little bit of a hoarder, but it benefits you guys. You will get all of them. To enter into the giveaway, just hit that subscribe button. DM me on Instagram with a screenshot that you subscribe, and that's it. And I'll pick a lucky winner. But if you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. This is the Urban Armor Gear Kevlar Olive case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It feels, I'm telling you, the Kevlar on here, or at least the Kevlar aesthetic, it feels nice. It feels grainy, like, what can I describe? Not corduroys, but what is this? I don't know. I really like this case. The design, when I saw it, it's pretty nice. It's $49.95 on Amazon.com. Like I said, the link will be in the description. You can pick that up. So let's look around this case really quick. You got your cutout for your camera, cutout for your power switch, your up and down rocker that kind of protrudes the case a little bit. Your side edges are extra bumped, so I guess that's just extra protection. As you can see, it's all the way on every corner of the phone or on the case. You have your power switch button cut out, and then you have your charging port and speaker cut out as well. You have some branding, or I guess might be coordinates of where it was made, I'm assuming. But you got your little honeycomb design in the inside. And on the back, you got some Urban Armor Gear branding. And then up here, you have, I think, more coordinates. I'm assuming those are coordinates. But yeah, as you can see close, that is the Kevlar right there. Look at that. It's weaved in well, intertwined. But yeah, let me slap this on here real quick. Alright, this case fits very snug. The fit and protection on this is very, very good. It's fine for me. You know, I switch my cases out so often that I don't really even notice it. But the Kevlar feel on the back, it just feels very good. It feels like there's something else going on with your phone, and there is. It's Kevlar on the back. I'm a big fan of it. It does kind of extend those black borders along the side of your phone. So, you know, the iPhone comes with little black borders on the side. So, you know, putting a black case on it that's somewhat thick is just going to make those borders seem and appear a little bit bigger than they actually are. But it's not bad. But I'm a big fan of this. I like this. I use this often. I recommend you guys get it as well. Like I said, Amazon.com. Check it out. $49.95. And that'll be the end of this video, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.